Hello everyone, welcome back to Investorology. This side Sagar once again with a brand new video for Bank Nifty analysis for 16th of July. So let's see how market can move tomorrow. And before proceeding that, so what we do usually, we just have a quick recap of what we had discussed yesterday and how the Bank Nifty levels had performed. Okay. So if you guys have seen my previous video, I had mentioned and given all the levels to you like 21,800, 21,649, 21,403 and 21,244. So if you guys can clearly see, market has respected all my levels. Okay. So I'm not saying I'm supreme to market, but if you guys have seen my analysis, the analysis are very strong and very pinpoint, and market have been respecting it since for quite a long time. The accuracy I would be consistently saying as around 85 to 90%. Okay, so if you guys have also witnessed it. And so let's back to the analysis. So today market capped up to around 150 points, and from there it moved to our first resistance level, and then again it moved to the second resistance, that is 21,800, and moved to a higher end. Okay, and here was one level which I have not updated, that is 21,931. I think 21,931 level which I have not updated. I have mentioned these levels in the Telegram channel. Okay, so let's just quickly add this level here as well. So let's go, and 21,000. I've just put it out. 21,931. Okay, so this is the level. So if you guys can see, let me just save it out. Okay, so if you guys can see, Bank Nifty performed to this levels as well. It tested the final resistance, which was 21,931. I said if it flows it might go to upside, but it did not. It halted there. It took the first support here, 21,931, the first resistance it hit. Then from there it started to fall, and it hit our first support again at 21,800, and again it tested our second support, that is 21,649. You can see how exactly it placed here, and from here it bounced back again to 21,800 level, and around here 2 o'clock exactly we had this Reliance AGM meeting. So the news unable to satisfy the customers or the shareholders, and the market took it negatively, and it gave a sharp fall, and from there it fell around. All the supports were broken, and it went to our final support level, which was 21,244. So if you can see, in last 3 or to 4 candles, Bank Nifty or even Nifty lost all its gain. Okay, and hit to the perfect level which I have given, which was around 21,244 levels as well. And from there it bounced back and gave a closing above our first resistance, that is above 21,403, and gave a closing around 41,414, which is adjusted closing it is showing in here in Zerodha. Okay, so guys, you can see clearly notice like how Bank Nifty levels which I have been giving up like for since last quite a few days, and all the levels how it has been perfectly matching. So if you can see, from here opening it went to the resistance, and again it took support, and again it went up. So if you guys are very good at doing level trading, you would be making plenty of money here. Okay, and some price action also here. It looks like if you have seen this one red candle at 14, okay, that is 2 o'clock. So it is a clear sell signal from here, because he was a doji candlestick which was formed. So there was an indecision in the market, and at 2 o'clock there was a red candle, so all the sellers were activated, and from there a huge downfall would be certain. And even I have given a put during the same in my paid channel, considering the fact like the AGM news might go wrong, so we have hedged the position. So Nifty 10,950 C, and Nifty 10,700 puts. So 10,700 puts gave us a very good return. Like we took it around 20 to 24 levels, and it went high up to 109, and we booked around 80 to 81 levels. Okay. So let's do a quick analysis for tomorrow, and tomorrow would be the weekly expiry for Bank Nifty, and it would be an interesting day. So let's see how the market is going to perform. So the levels are very certain and very clear, which I have been mentioning. Okay, so there is no need to modify any levels. If you guys can see, like market halted above 403. Okay, so from there it is very clear, like if sustains from there, so we will be going upward towards 21,649 levels, and from there to 21,800, and so on the levels. Okay, and if we fall below this 21,244, again, which is very highly likely for me, because today also I was telling you guys from the beginning, like every rise would be sold off in the market. Like if you can see, every rise which was here made, it was sold off to here, again it was a rise here, it was sold off to here. Okay, so that is how the market psychology performs. Okay, so let's see what happens tomorrow. And if you guys can see, we have been testing these levels 22,244 twice, yesterday also and today also. We tested these levels, right? So it is no more a support for me. It is if Bank Nifty comes next time here, then it will be falling sharply, and falling sharply to 20,700 levels, or even 21,035 levels, which is the first support. And if it breaks, it will be going below than 21,745. Okay, so that is the first analysis on the downward side. And for the upside, you can say if Bank Nifty sustains this for 400 levels, that is 21,403 levels, we will be going for the target of 21,649. And as tomorrow being an expiry, so we will be seeing spikes in the volatility. So let's see how market is performing. So if it goes very sharply in the first half to the upside rally, then it has to come down to decay the premiums. Okay, so whenever you find Bank Nifty around 21,900 levels, short Bank Nifty. Okay, around 21,900 levels, just short Bank Nifty. Okay, if it goes somehow from there, it will be falling back to around, I think, 21,600 levels at least. Okay, and if it goes downside, then we have to wait for the price action and see how Bank Nifty is performing, and we will be looking forward to it. So I'm just zooming it out so that you guys can take a look at the levels and capture a screenshot of it, so that it will be easier for you guys to trade. Okay, just mark these levels. Let me just capture it out. Okay, so just mark these levels in your system, all these levels from 22,000 to 20,745. This is a 2,000 range point which I have given you guys. So mark these levels, the support and resistance levels in your system. Okay, so whenever you guys want to trade, just trade on these levels and see how Bank Nifty is performing. Okay, and just as tomorrow is expiry, so be a little cautious with your trade. Do not take any heavy quantities, take light positions, and see how Bank Nifty is performing in the initial first 1 to 2 hours. Then take your positions accordingly. Okay, and play around levels only. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then do like and share among your friends, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks everyone for your time. Have a good day and stay safe. Bye bye.